In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Google Calendar. This is a handy feature that can make viewing your schedule much easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. So let's get started and walk you through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google search bar. In the search bar, type in Google Calendar and hit enter. Generally, the first result listed should be the official Google Calendar site. Click on this link to proceed. You'll likely be prompted to log into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. It's important to use the account associated with your Google Calendar where you'll be making the changes. You'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address linked to your Google account. This is the email you use regularly to access Gmail, YouTube, or any other Google services. Once you've entered your email, look for the next button and click it. This will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password, ensuring it's entered correctly. This step is crucial, so take a moment to double check your credentials. Then hit that next button once more. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your Google Calendar. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon which stands for Settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. It will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll spot an option labeled Settings. Click on it to delve deeper into your calendar preferences. Inside the Settings menu, you're going to look for a section called Appearance. This is where you can personalize the look and feel of your Google Calendar. Click on this option, and you'll be presented with various appearance settings, one of which is the much coveted dark mode. To enable dark mode, simply click on the option labeled Dark. Once you select this option, you'll instantly notice your calendar transition into a darker theme, which is perfect for reducing eye strain during those late night planning sessions or if you prefer a less bright interface. After selecting dark mode, make sure to finalize your changes by clicking Done at the bottom of the page. By clicking Done, you confirm and save your new settings, ensuring your Google Calendar stays in dark mode until you decide to change it again. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Google Calendar. Enjoy the new look and feel as you organize your schedule. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you want to switch back to the light mode or make additional adjustments. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.